Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to use the curve speed feature on CapCut. So if you want to do like a speed run edit or adjust the speed of your clips, you can use the preset provided by CapCut. So by click on this the video that you add, go to speed, and there will be curve options. So under the curve there will be like this speed preset that you can choose. There are montage, hero, bullet, jump cut, flash in, and also flash out. But if you want to create a custom curve speed, you can just click on this custom and you can adjust it on your own. So for example, I want to make the beginning slow and then speed up at the center, and you can also add another beat by clicking on the add beat button at the top like that, and you want to make it slow like this, add another beat if you want, and if you want you can also make it a better quality, and then click on the check icon and just wait until the smooth slow-mo applied to the clips. Okay, so the custom curve speed that I did before has been applied, and you can see the result by playing the video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.